Oyakodon is a variation of the traditional Japanese dish donburi, which is a round bowl of rice topped with ingredients ranging from pork or beef to eel. Oyakodon was invented in Osaka around 1900 by tossing chicken and onion pieces on rice and dipping them in an egg. By the way, you can cook oyakodon not only with chicken, it is also delicious with beef. And it's not just breakfast, it can be both lunch and dinner. Peel the onion and cut into thin half rings. Cut the chicken fillet into small pieces. You don't need to chop the meat much, the finished slices should remain juicy and dense. Steam half a cup of rice. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and pour 6 tablespoons of soy sauce into it. As soon as the soy sauce begins to boil, toss the onion half rings into the pan and sprinkle sugar on top. Cook stirring occasionally for 2 to 3 minutes. Place chicken in skillet and stir in sauce. When the meat turns white on one side, carefully turn the slices over and cook for a couple more minutes. Chicken fillet cooks surprisingly quickly, a maximum of 3 to 4 minutes. In a separate bowl, with a fork or whisk, quickly beat the eggs into a homogeneous mixture. It is not necessary to add salt. The soy sauce in which the meat is stewed is salty enough. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet, trying to evenly coat all the meat. Cover the skillet with a lid and cook the omelette for 3 to 4 minutes, without stirring, until the eggs are well cooked. Carefully place the omelette on top of the rice for convenience. It can be divided into triangular parts with a spatula. Sprinkle oyakodon with chopped green onions and serve hot. Bon appetit!